So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's see what to be expecting on Euro GBP. If you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. So if you are to zoom it out, you can start the overall trend, that is the full trend on Euro GBP is literally the uptrend move. But on the recent trend, it's a total different trend. The full main trend on Euro GBP is an uptrend move, but the current trend what market is currently doing is market is actually ranging. So we can see that this here is our resistance, this bottom is our support level. So now the market has rejected from this support level multiple times, it's also rejected from this support level. We also had it rejected from this resistance, and also it's rejected from this resistance. Now it is rejected from this resistance level. So our next bias is after this pullback, we should be expecting that sell to the downside. So our forecast on Euro GBP is to the downside. So it's likely to push up just a little bit. If it does that a little bit, then expect the sell on Euro GBP. Stay updated, follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section.